Now it starts to become real, huh? Looks like it will not be big enough. And there were some small leaks. And I'm nervous as hell. Come on.
I'm coming home.
Hello everyone and welcome. We are Sabine and Marco, and we decided we wanted more freedom, more independence, and to quit our 9-to-5 life. And now we are building our own tiny house on wheels, and we're gonna live in it, full time. We bought a 6-seater Mercedes Benz Atego with twist locks, and we got a 20-feet shipping container, and together this will be ugly. Our expedition truck / tiny hotel on wheels. So, will we succeed? What will happen? You can find out and support us by subscribing and hitting the bell notification button. And that way you can see our update videos when they come out. So, let's go!
Let's go!
Welcome to the first status update. I'm at a bit of a noisy place, so my apologies for that. I don't have like a building available where I can make this van, so I'm doing it outside. It is exciting, I have to say. I feel all nervous, it's all new. It feels like a massive task. I still feel I can do it. Now it starts to become real, huh? What's happening is that I needed to buy the container because there was a shortage in containers, and this is a special container, it's a low cube. So I was really lucky to get this one. But the actual windows, they have a delivery time of 6 months. So with me getting the container, because I needed to get it, and with me also getting the windows, there's a gap of 4 months, I believe. I still wanted to use that 4 months, so I still want to build inside of the container. And of course I'm not gonna do a lot of fancy stuff, but I still want to be able to do some insulation or things like that. I don't want to have water coming in. So what is now, what are we working on? So the idea is to make sure that everything is better waterproof. I bought this tarp, you can see here, and the tarp is originally for camper vans, and I'm gonna be putting that up. The plan is to do that today, but I tried it already and it's very heavy. So yeah, we need to find a smart solution. I think I have a smart solution, but yeah, let's see how that turns out. For today, by the way, most of the water stayed out, so I covered everything yesterday, and there were some small leaks. There was quite a bit of rain, so yeah, I'm quite pleased about that. It's okay. The thing today is going to be exciting because I am going to be driving to a location where I can better waterproof the vehicle. But as you can see, I have a duct tape solution, let's say, and the duct tape solution, yeah, I'm wondering how long it will hold. So. Yeah, let's see. Not sure if you can see it, but the tape has gone loose. So I'm gonna see if I can find a spot where I can park. So I can fix this. So quick stop here, and to see what I can do about the loose plastic. That's not so bad. It's not so bad. I can easily fix it. It's really busy today on the road, and I'm nervous as hell. Come on. Yeah, it's but okay. Anyway, it's fixed. So it's not flapping anymore. It was a quick fix, so that's good. Hope it works. Looks like it will not be big enough. I had my exercise. Man. Oh, maybe. Oh, it looks okay. Let's see. I'm almost there.
A few moments later.
Did it. Today is like 3 days later, and there has been rain, so now we can see inside how well it has protected. Okay, you have to trust me that there is no water inside of the container anymore. So I'm really happy about this. And one of the cool things is that I made this up myself. So I'm actually pretty proud. Can I say that? Can I say it? Well, and I'm proud because this is actually meant to cover like a camper van, like a big camper van. It's supposed to cover that, and I thought, well, I think I can use that as well. It was quite a big investment. It's like 200 euros, something like that. But I'm so happy I did it. It's yeah, proud. We have a good day today, and it's expected to stay sunny. It's about 10 degrees, something in that area. We first need to get some stuff out, and I'm going to do that now. And then we will start the actual building of the container. So exciting day! In case you're wondering, I will show you the other side. This is the other half of the container. the bit did not survive. But we are ready. We are done for today. Yeah. So this is the end of day 2. And I'm tired. I'm really tired. My back aches a little bit because I'm working. I need to work on the floor with my back bent. So yeah, there's a bit of strain there. So I need to take it easy. And I hope tomorrow is going to be a good day with decent weather, because the temperature is good. So for the if I want to stick glue on the wall, it needs to be 5 degrees. It feels okay. It does not feel really cold. So with the sun and with I think we can do it. So that's going to be the plan for tomorrow, or maybe the day after, to do the supports on the wall. It's also going to be a big one. If those are in and I feel they are strong and solid, it's a big one. So, see you then. Bye.